Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange at Embedded World 2024. I'm here with Tomasz at the Quectel booth, and we're going to talk about cellular IoT because 2G and some 3G networks are being retired now, so it's time to make the transition to newer technologies. Tomasz, what should an engineer be thinking about when they're retiring old technologies and moving to newer ones?
Yeah, the selection of new technology is, I would say, quite challenging for the engineers because they have to consider multiple aspects. They have to consider power consumption, they have to consider service availability, they have to consider many other topics, also like also cost at the end. But how can I say, all the combinations, some services are geographically available. For example, LPWA is the most ubiquitous service today in the world. On the other side, LPWA is not available in the vast areas of Central Asia, South America, and also parts, and let's say almost anywhere in Africa. So this is what geography is very important. So if we think about these characteristics from the power consumption perspective, now the two technologies, LPWA and LTE, are equivalent. For the availability, the LTE is available everywhere in the world. So there are just 4 countries in the world, like North Korea, not supporting this service.
Fair enough.
And the only parameter where the LPWA technology is a clear winner is the link budget. So the RF
Sorry, what was that?
Link budget. The
RF
because it has been designed in a way that to be installed, let's say, underground or in the basements, because these are mainly used for metering. And the meters are installed in basements and so on, these places. So this is the case where these technologies are better.
So this has a greater penetrating power if you want to install it in somewhere that's not necessarily out in the open. Is that correct?
It is correct. It's correct. Actually, the RF performance or the RF has been designed in a way that this can offer better penetration through walls and yes.
So in terms of ideal applications for LTE versus LPWA, where do you see kind of the different applications?
I used to say to our customers, if you have an application which is not moving, like a meter or a smoke sensor or a quality sensor, then a very good technology is NB-IoT.
As long as you're in the right territory.
Yeah. If you have an application which is mobile, but still in let's say under the same network operator, like a pet tracker or a payment machine, payment system and so on, then CAT-M is the way to go. But if you need, let's say, a bit more of data throughput, or you need let's say roaming over different territories and different network operators, then CAT-1 or CAT-1bis is the technology to go.
And in terms of power consumption, which one is the clear winner?
Recently, EDRX and PSM have been introduced also into CAT-1, so into LTE. So wherever this is available, the power consumption is comparable. We have tested the 2 modules, actually the EG915, 915U and the BG95, and we found out that the power consumption performance is very, very aligned.
Good.
Which was not the case before the introduction of these specific features into LTE years ago.
Nice. So if an engineer wanted to test these technologies using Quectel chipsets, what's the process? Is there evaluation boards? Is there kind of development kits, reference designs?
We do have evaluation kits of all our modules. They are available, they are on stock, everybody can offer them, provide distribution or directly from us. There are a lot of documentation, reference designs, schematics and whatever. So really, we support the customer from the module selection down to the production and also after sales. So complete, and what I can say actually, module selection is the first support we provide. Schematics, Gerber review is the next step. Antenna design, as you can see here, we also offer
Nice.
custom antennas behind you. custom antennas and or standard antennas. And then going further, we also provide connectivity and so on. So really, we have a complete offering for, I would say, a one-stop shop for our customers for the design of an IoT application.
Cool. And just to double check, because these look like quite complex modules, are they wireless and the kind of control aspects as well, or are they purely the wireless communication?
Can you repeat this?
If you were to build a product using one of these modules, is this just the wireless part, or can you build the rest of the system around it because it's kind of got micro-controlling capabilities, IOs, that kind of thing?
These modules, I would say almost all the families of the modules offer variants also where the customer can integrate his code to ours. So later on the processor which is already embedded in the module.
Okay, cool.
This is suitable for higher volume applications. For smaller volume application, we recommend the customer to use an external MCU and to develop the system by himself and use the module as a data transmission tool.
Cool. Okay. Nice. And fun enough, I've spotted. Where was it? I don't think I'd be doing my job right if I didn't ask you a little bit about these NTN and satellite modules, because it's been quite a hot topic within our community.
It is.
Can you explain a bit more about how NTN is taking over IoT and what applications you really see this kind of technology?
Yes. NTN has been recently introduced into the 3GPP specification with the release 17. And I would say is an extension of the terrestrial cellular technology to the satellite. Is the first step.
Yeah.
Today, the service offered is, I would say, comparable to an SMS service. So it's not wideband, it's an SMS. But if you don't have access to the terrestrial network, then definitely you have to use this kind of technology. What I would say is we offer today, or we have in our roadmap, 3 different variants with NTN technology. One model is an NTN only, just a model which is offering this. This is the CC660D-LS. Further, we have the module which offers terrestrial terrestrial connectivity like CAT-M NB-IoT.
Oh, okay, nice.
Plus NTN, and then we have a size-optimized variant for application where size matters, offering CAT-M NB-IoT and NB-IoT over satellite, so NTN.
Cool. So that's the thing that's going to keep you connected basically at all times. Nice.
And the applications we are discovering new verticals with this. We can serve applications that are not accessible to us. Everything what happens, let's say, in open sea, or what happens in areas, or for example, we had a very nice discussion yesterday with a customer about security, or let's say, security devices for paragliders.
Oh, excellent!
Just an example.
Actually, one of our team does paragliding.
So. This is a short discussion about NB-IoT. For the rest, just to finish this discussion, I would say we offer all cellular technologies from NB-IoT up to 5G, including the newest RedCap, which is the 5G reduced capacity, for really tailoring IoT of the next generation.
Cool. So clearly, if you want to get connected, check out Quectel. Thank you so much, Tomasz. That was really fun.
Thank you.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?